So moving on to the triple crochet, we want to look at the next step and how we start to build our work. The first thing you're going to do is when you finish this row, I've just finished this row of double crochet here, what you want to do is you want to keep that structure going up the side, and you want to have 2 chain stitches instead of 1, because your triple crochet is going to be higher, the height is going to be more than your double crochet. So we're going to do 1, and then we're going to do 2 chains just like you did at the start, and then what you're going to do is flip your work over. So what we can see is we've got our 1, 2 that we did for our chain to build our structure, which will go there, and we want to go into this first hole here to work along our row. So what we do is we take your tension on as you do, holding your work. Just make sure you're doing whatever's comfortable for you. And the first thing you do is take your hook. You're going to do yarn over first before you go through the hole. Then you're going to go through underneath the 2 bits on the top, the chain almost, the 2 loops, and you're going to take your yarn over and you're going to pull through. Then you're going to do yarn over again. So you've got 1, take that back a second, you've got 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. So you want to take your yarn over there. You want to take that through the first 2, which is going to take you down to 2. Then you're going to take your yarn over again, and that's going to take you down to 1. And that is your triple crochet. So moving on to look at that again, let's just try and break that down a little bit more. So there's your next hole there. So take your hook, yarn over before you go through the hole, yarn over, pick up the yarn and pull it back through. You've got 1, 2, 3. Yarn over again, pull it through the 2. Yarn over again and pull it through to 1. So there's your next triple crochet. Look at that again. Yarn over before you go through into the next space, into the next hole, right through, pick up your yarn and pull it through. Yarn over 1, so you think you've got your yarn over there, 1, 2, 3, pull it through, so you have 2. Pull, yarn over again, pull it through until you've got 1. You can see the difference in height there between the double crochet and the triple crochet. You will also get a little bit more gapping, and that's to be expected with the bigger stitch. But what you'll find is that as the yarn settles down into the triple crochet, it will all just settle into exactly what it's meant to be. So again, you work your way right along to the end, and when you get to the end, if your next row is triple crochet again, you're doing 2 chains to build up your side before you turn your work over.